For the Comedy Cartel. It is his first time performing here, and I'm happy. We're all happy that he swung by. He has a show called Front Act on every Sundays on TV5. He's been doing comedy for a good amount for a long time, guys. Put your hands together and make some noise for Mr. Stanley Tree.
Hi, good evening. Give yourselves a round of applause for being here. Come on. Good evening, I'm Stanley Chi, and I'm 31 years old. I grew up during the 80s. Life is simpler back then. You don't have complicated games in PlayStation or Wii. All you have to do is press up, up, down, down, left, right, PA, select, start. And you'll have 30 lives extra. Right now, everyone's using free Wi-Fi, fast internet connection. Back then, all you have to do is get your WordStar and your EDSA mail. Kontento na tayong lahat dun. Everyone's on Facebook right now. You guys have Facebook accounts? Huh? I'm also on Facebook. You can just add me up, but Facebook is an old concept because back then, we have a thing called the slum book. It's a lot like Friendster, Multiply, or Facebook. Your motto in life is always, time is gold. Your ambition in life is always to be the best in everything. What is love? God is love. First kiss, parents. And the dedication is a lot like the testimonial that you receive in Friendster or the wall-to-wall that you get in Facebook. I'm gonna read my slum book when I was younger. Dear Stanley Chi, thanks for letting me sign in your slum book. TCCIC. Take care cause I care. China. Come here, I need affection. Korea. Keep optimistic regardless of every adversity. You guys want more? O, local naman. Imus. I miss you, sweetheart. From your classmate, Rudy. Back then, if you like someone, all you have to do is gather your friends. Oh, Marcel, halika rito. Sinong crush mo, pare? Genevieve, pare. Tara, i-flames natin. Pare E. Paano ba yan? Enemies. Hindi, pare. Engage. Big sabihin nun. When I was younger, I loved watching TV with my parents. Because during the 80s, we don't have a remote control. I'm my mom's personal remote control. It's always like this. Anak, ilagay mo sa channel to manood tayo ng Connie Reyes on camera. It's my turn to see what I can see. Ay anak, tapos na pala. Ilagay mo nga sa channel 7, manood tayo ng Lovingly Yours. Alam mo, ang may papayo ko sa iyo, Patrick, mag-aral ka ng mabuti para makagraduate ka kagad. Importante ang education sa buhay ng isang tao. Ay anak, tapos na rin pala. Ilagay mo nga sa Channel 9. Mami, nanonood ka ng Channel 9? Hindi. Gusto ko lang malaman ko ng oras na. Mayroon kasi yun eh. I love watching telenovelas when I was younger. Telenovelas back then are a bit simpler because there's a narrator who understands the entire story saying, ang nakaraan, nasunog ang kalahating mukha ni Gardo. Saan hahantong ang dulang ito? Abangan niyo bukas. Sa Valiente. 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 Right now, telenovelas, they have subliminal messages about drugs like Darna. Di ba nagbabato siya para maging Darna? Si Ding, siya yung pusher. Because you would always hear Narda shout, Ding, Ding, ang bato, Ding! Pag nakapagbato siya, nakakalipat na. Thank you very much. I am Stanley Chi. Now, let's bring back our host, Erin Niemann.
Thank you very much. Welcome back.